When?
Hi. At January's meeting of the cross-party group of the National Assembly for Deaf Issues, our main item on the agenda today was to start the consultation process on the legal status of British Sign Language. We hope many of you will let us know of your views on that. We've also had correspondence from ministers that we've looked at, and there are a number of issues around access to many of the public services, and we will be taking those issues up with the relevant ministers and departments. We've also set the next date for this meeting, which will be in April, and we hope then to update this website with what we're discussing at that meeting.